To give this model a bit of a head shape now, just right-click on our model to give us the control mesh. From the neck where we left off here, we'll select the top face and we'll do a sweep. Move it up a bit and we've got the basis for the beginning of the head. Select the two side faces and we're going to sweep those and apply some geometry. We'll leave them at standard default and select the front three faces and sweep those again. Now we have a very basic blockhead shape. Now if we select the center face, if we move that with a right click and drag, we can develop some roundness to it and eventually develop a nose area. I'm going to come out of the melted state back to the basic control mesh. You can see that it's going to be difficult to add any details to these areas because we've got no edges or geometry there. We can easily go back and add some. The simplest way to do this within subdivision editing is to select the top faces of the model, slide those down with the point move tool to where we need an added edge, and then sweep once again. And move that up again. Again right click move, and you can see we've got a nice edge running all the way around the model. We're going to do one more sweep on the top while we've got it selected. Move it down and then use the scale tool to give some sort of form to the head. Now if we re-enter the melted state, we can see that it's still very block. So I'm going to select the two side edges here, and I want to move those out. So I use the Move tool, right-click and drag, and I can move them both out simultaneously. And we're already getting a nice rounded form going here, the basic. We can do the same thing with the front face here. Select a single edge, right-click and move, and we're getting a rounded form there. In the next tutorial, we're going to go back down to the base of the model and start extruding the legs.